Google Sheets has hundreds of formulas, but honestly, you don't need most of them. In this file, I'll show you the ones you do. All right, so in this case, each row is a work order, and it lists the type of job, the amount of labor required, and the labor rate. So first, I'm going to try to calculate total cost by just using basic operators. So in that field, for the first work order, I'll say equals the labor hours times the labor rate, use an asterisk to multiply, and then I'll double-click the bottom right corner of the cell to drag that all the way down. Now let's calculate the average work order cost. So I'm going to say average in this field, and then select the entire total cost column. I'll do the same thing for min to get the minimum amount, as well as the max. Again, I'm selecting the entire column. So it looks like the average work order was about $291. The lowest was $47, and the highest was $587. So there's a fairly wide range of costs. Now let's count rows, the number of work orders. And we have a few different functions to do that. So count only counts rows with numbers in them. So if I say count column B, the job type, it gives me 0 because there's no rows with a number in it. But if I change this to instead not count column B, but count column C, labor hours, it shows me 32. So I've got 32 work orders with a number for labor hours. Now count A, on the other hand, is a little different. It counts any rows with something in them, whether it's a number or not. So if I try count A on column B, the job type, it's going to give me 33. And the reason why it doesn't give me 32 is because it's also counting the header job type as well. So we've got 33 work orders with a job type listed. And finally, COUNTIF is a little different. It's going to count if a certain condition is met. So I'll count column B, the job type, when it says repair. So I've got 11 work orders that are repairs. All right, now let's explore the sum function. So we're not counting rows in this case. We're summing some value. So let's try to sum the total cost field. So it looks like we had over $9,000 in costs for these work orders during this period. Or maybe we only want to sum the costs in that column if the job type is an emergency. So I'll try, in this case, SUMIF. So SUMIF, column B, the job type is an emergency. And if it is an emergency, go ahead and sum column E, the total cost. So we had $1,000 in costs for emergency requests during this period. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more of them. And if you want to go even deeper, I have a full course on Google Sheets in the links below.